burnout car there. Had Florida plates on it. The lady is a local lady. It's pretty well toast. You remember to unhook your chain? Grandson, he's a little rusty at this. He forgot to unhook the chain. Thank heavens it fell off. Yeah, how about this one? Grab that one, too. This one fell right off. Tried to unhook the chain, but they fell off anyway, so that's alright. Worked out. Just unhook it. I'd get up there and unhook it and then just keep pushing it with the bed. He's a little rusty. He hasn't helped for a while. So yeah. Hey, we got one good tire left right there. Then pick it up in front of the wheels and shove it on back. I'll shove it one more time with the bumper. Okay. Now we'll we back the truck up. We can take the shovel and throw all that stuff up in the car. Pick the bed up. Throw it over there. Pick your bed up. Now, back the truck right up over the hood and we'll throw all that stuff in the car. Okay. One thing about a burn one, no matter what you do, you get cruddy. But I'm going to have him back up so we can throw all this crap in the car. Sure can't hurt the car any. I'm going to put you guys back up on the bed of the truck. Almost forgot about you guys. Anyway, we had to wash the deck of the truck off. I don't normally pull the truck in, but I'm tired. It's a Sunday night. It's getting late. Deer coming out. I want to go home before the deer come out and I hit one of them. But anyway, we got that one. That was actually a local lady. She's gonna turn it into her insurance and go from there. I had to tell her what all she had to do to get set up with her insurance. And it's only 90 degrees out, gang. So there's my scanner. So anyway, as always, I'm working myself out of light here. I'm rambling. I'll catch you on the next one.